Hi guys, so I wanted to show you behind me, I have a shimmer wall on my stand and my neon light that's right now off. But I basically wanted to show you this shimmer wall that will be part of my setup. This is about, I would say, 7 feet tall. I'm 5.5. I'm 5'3.5". So this is about 7 feet tall. And this beautiful happy birthday neon sign that right now it's off, but I wanted to really review and show you a little bit of this shimmer wall that I got. So this shimmer wall I got from Amazon. They are not paying me to review the shimmer wall at all. This is just my honest review. And there's some things that definitely can be improved for setup. But as far as like the colors, this is a very light gold color, not the bright gold. It's called a light gold. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to show you really quick. This is how the panels come in. It's literally like this box over here. And you just have to open the box and you will get individual panels like this. That's all. And it brings the zip ties and however many panels. I believe this one box holds about 24 of these. So whatever the size you want your shimmer wall to be, you're gonna have to do the math and try to figure it out to have enough. It's better to have enough, just in case also if one of these little delicate foil sequins, they bend or something happens, you can always replace them. So this is, how beautiful is this color, by the way? Okay guys, so let me make this video quickly because I have so many things to do. But if you can see right here, I use my latest Kiara wall to actually hang the shimmer wall. And the reason why I did that is because it's easier for me with this grid to go ahead and attach the panels. So I'll show you in a minute, but like I said, they're like squares, panel squares that they actually clip on, as you can see right here, right? And here as well. But they do come with zip ties, and what I do is I just zip tie them to make them secure, because eventually this kind of pops out a little bit. So you'll see some zip ties going up and down just to lock in each square panel, okay? So once that is set, so I may do like, right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares across and 2 up. So this is a total of 8 right here, another 8 right here, and another 8 right on the top. So the reason why I'm using this grid wall is because it's easier for me to zip tie my panels to the grid wall. And same thing as you can see right here, and same thing on the top. All right, so you can use a regular a regular balloon stand for that as well, but I love that I have the security in different spots so that my wall is not too like wiggly or flimsy. And also another thing that I find that it's really good is I'm able to hang my my sign, my happy birthday sign, and all I did is I used fish line and some magnets. These are heavy duty magnets. Again, I found them at Amazon, and because this is metal, it just attaches to it. I feed it through, as you can see. I'm gonna go to this side, and here is where it connects. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. And I have 2 connecting points on the top, and that way I can hang my sign and it's seamless pretty much. Using retro eucalyptus, which is this beautiful green. I'm using pink blush, so I'm gonna be combining these two. Retro sand from Callison, okay? And I'm going to be using these chrome champagne color chrome. Now the only one that's a different brand is this Jamar one. That's it's called Latte, only because I couldn't find the retro sand in 18 inches. So this is Latte Jamar, and it's 19 inches. So the beauty about these colors is like you can kind of mix and match a few within the same family. So once inflated, you'll see you can barely tell the difference. So I will start building my garland with these beautiful colors. And the way I wanted to place them on my shimmer wall, it's basically, I wanted to look very organic, but not to overcrowd my shimmer wall. I want the shimmer wall to be the focal point. So I'm going to do just small clusters going down to the side, some behind, which actually is one of the reasons I also use my grid wall, because I can attach the balloons from behind and I have somewhere to like attach them to. So that will be a benefit of using the grid wall. So with that said, let me get started on inflating my clusters. Hi guys. Okay, so I used a total of 14 clusters for this design. I would say that I use 2 clusters per color, and I have about 4 colors. So you do the math. That does not count the mini clusters of the 5-inch balloons. So these are just the large and medium clusters, and each cluster is pretty much 6 balloons per cluster. All vary in different sizes. I don't have one specific, it's supposed to be organic, but just to give you an idea, I use 14 clusters altogether, plus the little mini clusters. So yeah, so there you have it. So in order to attach my balloons to my shimmer wall, I build a mini garland with about 4 clusters. So I use a 260 stretchy balloon to attach them, and then I just feed it through the base of my stand, and I just attach them together. That way they're not moving around on me. And then from that point forward, I just grab my other clusters and I use my 260s as rubber bands to attach one balloon to the other. And that's how I connect them all. But as long as I have the one base attached to the stand, everything should be fine. It's not going anywhere. guys, so this is it. Behind me is the setup for my birthday, and I hope you guys enjoy it. How gorgeous this turned out to be. The shimmer wall, the neon lights, and the different color combinations. So I hope you guys enjoy these type of videos. I know I haven't done one in a long time, but I hope that this one actually is something you guys like. It's a different little setup, and I will post some pictures on my community tab so you guys get to see when I'm all dressed up for my birthday. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button below. Leave me some comments and hit the little notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you guys watch it and don't miss them out. So until next time, thank you for watching.